Welcome to our channel, Deco Mesh Security Enabling Parental Controls and Codes via HomeShield. 1. Install Deco app. Download the TP-Link DecoApp from Play Store or App Store. 2. Log into your account. Open the app and sign in using your TP-Link ID. 3. Connect to your Deco network. Make sure your phone is connected to the Deco Wi-Fi. 4. Open HomeShield. Tap HomeShield from the app's home screen. 5. Enable Parental Controls. Go to Parental Controls and tap Create Profile. 6. Add Child Profile. Enter name, age group, and select devices for the child. 7. Set content filters and time limits. Choose blocked categories and set daily or bedtime limits. 8. Open Co settings in HomeShield. Tap Co's Quality of Service. 9. Select Priority Mode. Choose Gaming, Streaming, Work from Home, or Custom. 10. Save and apply settings. Tap Save. Parental controls and codes are now active. Thanks for watching.